In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wrike desktop app. If you're looking to enhance your project management skills by using Wrike on your desktop, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring a smooth installation so you can embark on a more productive journey. First, let's head over to the download page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Wrike's official site. Once there, look for a section dedicated to downloads or desktop apps. This should direct you to the download page we need. As soon as you've found it, you're one step closer to having Wrike right on your desktop. Next up, you'll see a button labeled Download for Windows. All you need to do is give it a click. This button is the gateway to getting the installer file onto your computer. Clicking it will initiate the download process. It's that simple. Windows users, this part is just for you. Now let's save that installer file. After clicking the download button for Windows, your browser will prompt you to either save or open the file. It's wise to save it so you have a copy on your computer. Choose a location on your device where you'll remember and can easily access later, like your Downloads folder. Then hit the Save button. It won't take long, just a moment or two, and you're done. Once the download is complete, open the .exe file. There's usually a shortcut to this right in your browser window once the download is done, or you can navigate to wherever you chose to save the file and double-click on it there. This action will trigger the installation process to begin. As the installation wizard opens, you'll need to follow the installation instructions presented on screen. It's a straightforward process, as the installer will guide you through each step with prompts. Typically, you'll click along, possibly agreeing to terms and selecting Install until it's complete. It doesn't take a long time, and you'll soon have Wrike ready to go. With the installation out of the way, it's time to launch Wrike. Locate the program by searching in your Start menu or checking your desktop for a new icon. Double-click on Wrike to open it up for the first time. Finally, sign into your account. You'll need your login credentials ready, so input your email and password when prompted. And that's it. Welcome to the world of Wrike on your desktop. By the end of these steps, you will have successfully downloaded and installed the Wrike desktop app on your Windows computer. Having easy access to your project management tool will surely streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing.